Please come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
My name is Deepak. What's your name?
Disha.
And yours?
Sir, my name is Saloni Bharti Singh.
Okay, Desha. Please tell me something about your favorite game.
So my favorite game was badminton, and I like badminton because it's very interesting game, and it's said that it's very interesting. I feel I love the environment with it.
So you play only for your say hobby or it's your regular game?
No, it's like a hobby only because.
Okay, that's very fine. Now, Saloni, please tell me something about your activities you do in the school other than studies.
So other than studies, I love extracurriculum, and especially I think it's my forte. The thing that I really like is dancing,
Okay.
and I would really love if I get any chance to showcase my talent in anywhere activity.
Okay, that's very fine. So you take participate in all the activities.
Most of them that I can, I have to manage my studies also being a science student. So
Okay.
I try maximum where I can manage both the things.
Okay, that's very fine. Now, Disha, it's your time to speak upon your topic. You have to speak for a minute or so. Once you are finished, Saloni is going to ask you a question, and thereafter I will also ask a few more questions. Right? Start.
It is weird to disrespect human and humanity. It was my birthday. I with my friends were enjoying the sport even toward the end. Suddenly something unusual happened. Some senior boys came and started harassing one of the classmates. Started harassing my one of the classmates. They told for the just sake of this the chair. This was not. I was feeling so angry after seeing this whole incident. Suddenly, we thought after as soon as the function will be over, we'll reach to the principal office and narrated the whole incident. Sir called the class and those senior boys and came to the conclusion that they were just showing the attitude of being seniors, and from that and they scolded them very badly from that day.
Okay, thank you very much. Saloni, can you ask a question here?
Well, Disha, I would like to know that what if something had happened, the same thing had happened to you? Do you think you would have been strong enough to raise your voice then and there?
Yes, absolutely. I would not tolerate this type of incident. If I were in place of her, then I would surely raise my voice because it's not because it is not because it's not good to tolerate such things. The situation.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, okay, Disha, please tell me, do you think it's a very regular habit of seniors to harass juniors, or it is just sometimes it happens?
No, actually, it's not a regular habit. The thing is, they just want to show that they are seniors, but it's not a good thing. Actually, I don't know that they were right or wrong, but later they had said the sorry to that boy. But I think that was wrong. First, they want to show that they are juniors. Why? They can also
Okay.
help.
Okay, that's right. Okay, what do you think? What the junior student must have, have done at that particular point?
At that particular time, I thought he should not tolerate the situation. He should ask either from the teachers. He should take the ideas. He should discuss with the principal or the teacher.
Okay, don't you think that may create some problem later on?
It may, but the thing is, it may create a problem, but
But that is a best solution. Okay, thank you very much. Now, Saloni, it is your time. You will tell about your topic.
Well, my topic is related to my hobby and that I'm interested in. It is music. And we all know music is the soul of someone's or everyone's life now. No one can resist a good piece of music. No one. Even I think my family itself is crazy about music. In every type of music. The genre of music does not, depend. And the best thing I like about music is that it is not limited to an age group or generation. Anyone, anywhere can get access to it. And there are so many sites now available. It's not difficult for us to reach for the music now. You can go to any store and find new CDs there. Moreover, music is developing itself now. It's expanding itself, its horizon, beyond the scope that was imaginable 10 years ago. And I think that whenever I'm hearing music, it's always something that soothes my mind and it energizes my body.
Okay,
And
that's
I
very
think
fine.
it's best that if we relax ourselves, this is the best pastime.
Okay, that's very fine. Disha, can you ask a question here?
Yeah, what motivates you to take this music topic? You know, what thing you thought that I should take this topic music?
Actually, when I heard about the topic music, I was just thinking that yes, I think it's the best thing that I can speak on because I am very close to music.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, in early days, music was not considered to be very good, but nowadays people have changed their views. Why it is so?
So it's not like the generation gap is there, and as music has grown, so has the people's thinking about it. People have realized that it's not just limited to a certain few, people who are not we consider very high class. They are not very high class, but I think music has convinced them that yes, even we can enjoy a good piece of music in our life.
Okay, please tell me, do you think new music, that is modern music, is equally soothing like the old one?
So, according to me, I think music is something that reflects our image and soul. And not everyone must like modern music. Even the youngsters today do not like some any kind of music now. But that does not mean the music is not good. It all depends on our choices.
Okay, that's very fine. Thank you very much. With this, we come to the end to the first task, and here is the second task. Most of the students in your class bring junk food for tiffin or eat junk food from school canteen. You and your friend would like to start a campaign to promote healthy eating habits. Discuss what resistance you can expect to meet from the others, how you will go about overcoming this to make your campaign successful. And for this, you have 2 minutes.
Well, junk food is a favorite thing of us, and we
Yeah.
cannot resist it no matter what we do. But looking at the condition, because obesity is now, I think, the main concern for parents now, that because and immunity also, the parents are very concerned that our immunity is being lost day by day.
But the thing is, the children like the junk food, so once a while they should eat. Once a while,
We should not neglect junk food. I mean,
Yeah,
we
that
cannot
is.
completely cut it off from our life, but at least we can reduce it.
Yeah,
And I think we should create awareness about it because it's most of the junk food that they created in unhygienic conditions.
yeah. So we can create it hygienic now by taking this, putting some vegetables in the, putting some healthy ingredients in that food.
We
It's
can
not.
also make them aware, we can also make the management aware that the conditions should also be made hygienic, as well as the students also, to cut down on their junk food.
Yeah, but I think that.
I completely agree with you that you were saying that hygienic conditions should be made. And even I would like that, somewhere parents would also be made concerned that,
Yeah.
they also need to be strict about these eating
Yeah, but
habits.
otherwise they will regularly started eating the junk food and it will cause them the harm. Yeah, the thing is that this right. You have said I agree with you. Totally agree with you. The thing is they should create something in that junk food that the children also will be happy
I
and the
think
parents.
that, and
parents
even
should be.
whenever we get the resistance, I think they will not like it very much if they are again shifted to green vegetables and all that.
It's not like
The
that.
students they are going to say that we only usually we at the home we get what the food that is cooked by our mother.
Okay, thank you very much. Have you come to some conclusion here?
So I think that the students they need to be made aware that always eating junk food is not what's going to help them, because when they going to get older, whatever they have done in their young life, it's going to reflect on their old age.
Okay, anything else you would like to say?
No, sir. It's same as she said. I agree with her. Totally. But the thing is, I would like to say that yeah, junk food is not good. But the thing, we can like cheese. Cheese is healthy also, and it's harmful if you have taken in the extra.
Excellent.
It's-
Okay, do you think we have to teach even parents for this?
So I think parents should also be made aware what are the eating
They
habits.
are aware of the things now.
But we can say from the school it can be as a compulsory menu from for what the child should bring on particular days. Do you think this can work?
This can work because in my school, in previous school, it has been done that the particular menu has been
Decided, pre-decided by the mother.
Yeah.
So I think they should be allotted where the students can bring what they like. Then they also will be enjoying to follow that rule.
Mhm.
They'll be
It
happy.
can be
that-
an interesting one.
Yeah.
Okay, in canteen also say samosas and all these things are at cold drinks are there. Instead of that juices can be there also. Do you think it is more better idea?
Yes, the cold drinks we can, students can do that by going home and also. But at the school they can adopt healthy eating habits.
Okay, that's very fine. Okay, with this we come to the end of this class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so